New pickup in from the Nike Talk Discord for New Balance. The homie Southtown tie-dyed the hoodie, and it's finally here. His work is finally here. His tie-dye is amazing. He tie-dyed the tee for me a while back, and now he did the hoodie. Super excited to see how it looks. Ooh, oh, this is fire. Yo, this colorway is fire. It's drawstrings. He used the comfort colors, got in a size medium. Shout out to him. Then got the print, the Intelligent choice. Then here's the logo. Here, not tell his custom little logo patch. This is so fire. Yo, he did a super good job on this. Got orange, green, like purple. Yo, this thing came out fire. Super fire. This was a white hoodie, and he did his magic. This is super fire. Thank you so much, Southtown. Shout out to you. Thank you so much. Super fire. Gonna order a couple more, hopefully to get a different color wheel. And yeah, super nice. Thanks again. Super dope. Subscribe. More videos coming in. Had to support. And yeah, leave a like down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. New Balance boys, we here. Watermelon gang. Alright, peace.